Welcome everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this space, I talk about content, social media, creativity and my life in general. So let's talk about it. In today's video, I am going to talk about those 6 myths that are stopping you from becoming a high-paying content writer. So let's begin with it. As you all know that content writing is not a cakewalk, but it is not a rocket science either. There are so many myths and misconceptions regarding content writing that are stopping people from becoming a high-paying content writer, and today I am going to break all those myths. Also, if you want to know about the 5-pointer checklist that will tell you that what you should have to become a successful content writer, please watch this video till the end. First myth, that you need a proper degree regarding content writing. No, you don't. You don't need a particular degree that is regarding content writing. You can have any other degree and still you can pursue content writing as your career. You can be a journalist, you can be an engineer, you can be a doctor, a scientist or anyone. And if you have writing skills and passion for writing, you can definitely pursue content writing as your career. And no, you don't need a particular degree. Second myth, that you have to be a grammar freak. No, you don't need to be a grammar freak, and yes, your content pieces should be error-free and grammatically correct. But you don't need to be that person who comes to you and always point out your grammatical mistakes. All you can do is you can consider tools like Grammarly or spelling mistakes in grammar. There are so many tools available on internet. Do consider them and make your content piece error-free. Third myth, that you have to have an English medium background or you have to be pro at English. This is the biggest myth. Now I want to tell you my story. My whole education was in Hindi medium and I pursued my post-graduation in journalism in Marathi medium, and still I am working as a freelance content writer in English language, in Marathi language and in Hindi language. So what my point here is, you don't need to be a pro at English. Yes, you have to know the basic language skills, but that will be okay for you. There are so many people who will tell you that if your English is not good, you will not be able to pursue this career as content writer. But I am going to tell you that even if you have the basic skills, you can definitely be a high-paying content writer. Fourth myth, that you have to be better than others. You know, the content writing field is so huge. As they say, content is the king. And there are so many businesses that are coming online and everybody is on social media. So there is a room for everyone out there, for every content writer out there. So why this comparison and why this competition? All I want to say is, be your own competition. Track your growth, track your mistakes, improve yourself and be the better version of yourself as a content writer. You don't need to be better than others, you don't need to compete with others, you don't need to compare yourself with others. All you have to do is compete with yourself, compare yourself with past yourself and just be the better version of yourself. So yes, there is no need to be better than others, just be better than yourself, just be better than what were you yesterday. Fifth myth, that content writing is all about blogs and articles. No, the scenario has changed now. There is a huge new world of content for you. As they say, there are so many new different kind of opportunities that are there in content writing field, like YouTube descriptions, like landing pages, like website content, like podcast titles, and blogs and articles are one part of it. And if somebody comes to you and tell you that you have to write a 1000 words, 2000 words article and blog and then only you will be able to become a content writer, then no, because there are so many new opportunities. So now you can write for social media copies, now you can write for different websites, now you can write for landing pages and so on. Sixth myth, that writing and submitting your content pieces to your client and your work is done. No, content writing is much more than that, bigger world than that, because as a freelance content writer, you have to set up your personal brand which will give you more clients and more work. So to reach out to many clients, to reach out to many people out there and tell them about your services and let them know about your skills, about your qualities, you have to have a personal brand, and to do that you have to have a great presence on social media. You have to write consistently, you have to create valuable content constantly, and you have to be active in all these things. So just writing and submitting your content and your work is done, no, that is not just content writing. For being a high paying content writer, you have to set up your own brand to let world know that yes, you have those skills and you can get paid for your skills highly. So now you know the myths about being a high paying content writer, and you know that these are the things that I don't have to think about, but there are some things that you have to think about. And as I said earlier, that I have a 5-pointer checklist that will tell you what you should have, what you should do, and what you should think about. So let's begin with it. In this checklist, the first point is you should have empathy and connection. So you should have that empathy and connection in your writing, which will directly reach to your potential customers or readers' heart. Because what happens when being a content writer, you write for sales copy or you write for social media, there are potential clients out there. They will come to you and buy your services only if they are convinced. So your writing should convince them through that empathy and connection. In this checklist, second point is passion for writing. So even if you are good at writing, even if you know the basic skills of English, even if you are pro at any language, but you don't have that passion for writing, you cannot be a successful high-paying content writer. So if you want to be one, you should be passionate about your writing skills. Only then you can achieve it. In this checklist, the third point is basic writing skills. So because you want to be a content writer, you must have the basic writing skills. You should know how to write for blogs or social media or anything. You should know the basic writing skills. That is a basic need to become a content writer. In this checklist, fourth point is to know the basic language skills. As I said earlier, you don't need to be a pro in any language, but you have to know the basic skills of that language or the basic knowledge of that language. So yes, basic knowledge of language is a must. In this checklist, the last point is basic knowledge of social media. Because if in today's scenario you want to become a successful content writer, social media is a platform where you're going to write. Right? So you have to know the basic knowledge of Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and all the social media platforms out there. If not all, at least basic 3-4 social media platforms. That is a basic need nowadays. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you want to become a successful high-paying content writer, do think about the things that I have talked about in this video. If you like my video, don't forget to like it, share it and comment on it, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I come up with new valuable video every Saturday. We'll meet in next video. Till then, bye.